This is out of Dublin.
Yeah, busy road has been closed following an overnight fatal crash. This happened while you were sleeping on Avery Road.
Katie Love just arrived at the scene. She joins us now with the details on the accident. Katie?
We've just learned from a Columbus police sergeant that it was a man who has died here on Avery Road. I want you to take a look. You can see that Columbus police are blocking the road here, and that's because several power lines are just down lying across it. AEP just showed up about 30 minutes ago. Now, at this point, police are still trying to identify the victim. We know that he hit a telephone pole, and the impact was so severe that it basically split the Honda CRV that he was driving in. Now, the accident investigation unit arrived about 30 minutes ago and is working to figure out what caused the crash. Was it speed, impairment in some way? Now, the sergeant with Columbus Police says he will be giving us an update here in just the next few minutes. He did have a chance to tell me, though, they do not know who this victim is, so they're still working to ID him. We're reporting live just near Dublin. Katie Love, NBC4.
Katie, thank you. You know, it could be a few hours until this busy stretch of roadway reopens, which may cause some issues for those of you that use that for the morning commute.
Absolutely, very busy. Jennifer has a look at a few detour routes drivers can use to maybe get around this closure. Jennifer?
That's right, guys. I mean, obviously, this is a very busy stretch of roadway, and as you saw, it's a very active scene, so really we don't know how long this may be closed. And as Katie Love had just mentioned, we have some wires down in that area, so that's going to take a while as well. So again, right now, Avery Road is closed right here at Hayden Run. So if you're traveling that way this morning, if this is part of your commute, your best options are to use Cosgrave or use Britton Parkway as alternates on either side, depending on which direction you are traveling in. But we also want to alert you to another traffic issue on the east side of town. Right now, westbound Broad Street is closed right there at 270 because of a serious crash as well. So if you're traveling that way, it's best to use Main Street, that US 40 area, as an alternate this morning. So we have a lot of traffic issues we're going to keep our eyes on this morning, let you know when everything changes. But right now, we have a couple of areas that you want to avoid this morning, Matt.
All right, thank you, Jennifer.